About this item, Brother Genuine Cartridge. Brother TN660 is a Brother Genuine cartridge that produces mono laser prints in high quality. You can depend on yields up to 2600 pages. This replacement high yield black toner cartridge can print approximately 2600 pages. 1. Seamless integration. This professional replacement black toner cartridge creates rich blacks and is engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother laser printer Amazon replenishment cartridge. Upon activation with your eligible Brother printer, TN660 replacement cartridges can be automatically ordered through Amazon replenishment and sent directly to your door for use with Brother laser printers and all-in-ones DCP-L2520DW, DCP-L2540DW, HLL2300D, HLL2305W, HLL2315DW, HLL2320D, HLL2340DW, HLL2360DW, HLL2380DW, MFCL2680W, MFCL2685DW, MFCL2700DW, MFCL2705DW, MFCL2707DW, MFCL2720DW, MFCL2740DW. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, Brother Genuine Cartridge. Brother TN660 is a Brother Genuine cartridge that produces mono laser prints in high quality.